slouching, slouching. He had a habit of slouching his shoulders, top slouching and sit up straight. Squatting, squatting. He squatted down in front of mirror. Children were squatting on the floor. Bending, bending. She is bending her body for exercise. The tree is bending in the wind. Kneeling, kneeling. He knelt in front of the altar and prayed. She knelt beside the child. Leaning, leaning. He leaned back in the chair. The ladder leaned against the wall. Standing, standing. I saw her standing in the street. He was standing. Line, line. She was lying on the bed with her legs up. I found her lying on the ground. Jumping, jumping. The cat is jumping in the ground. The child jumped to his feet.